Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed up on Monday, lifted by shares in tech, hardware and equipment, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, as well as the real estate sectors. This all as 90% of S&P 500 constituents managed to trade higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, making headlines was Tiffany after a judge of the Delaware court scheduled a hearing on September 21st to allow the jewelry company to plead under an expedited procedure its arguments for the French luxury goods giant LVMH to complete its merger project. Moving on, Nicola, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, that is the SEC, announced that it is reviewing the case of the electric truck manufacturing company accused by Hindenburg Research of making numerous false statements as well as assertions about its technology. Now, taking a look at expectations today, we do have some results due out from Adobe as well as FedEx. But on the economic docket today, we do also have results before the opening bell. 8:30 in the morning, we have the release of the Empire State Manufacturing Index, as well as both import and export prices. 8:55 in the morning, we have the release of the latest Red Book figures, and 9:15 in the morning, we have the release of U.S. industrial production. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500, that's where we begin, and that sees the bias remain bullish. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq intraday does see a bullish bias above 11,170, and the Dow Jones, that's what's in focus this morning, as it sees a bullish bias above 27,660. The relative strength index bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 27,660 are favored, with targets at 28,280 and 28,460 in extension.